Hey guys, this is Martin for TechBlockpool, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the AirPods 2, the second generation. This is the standard version, not the one with the wireless charging case, because honestly, I think it's pretty useless. Sorry, there's a plane coming, because we are in Nice, France, having a beautiful weather, but it's also very close to the airport. Okay, so let's get this off. So first the plastic cover. It's not litter. And now taking off the top of the case. Here we have designed by Apple in California. In this little booklet we have some basic instructions, you know them very well, from your first generation, and some safety information. Let's put this away. And here we have the AirPods themselves. They come beautifully wrapped in this plastic semi-transparent folio. You can slide them out just like that. And here they are. From what I know, the case is basically the same as the one that came with the first generation, since this is again not the wireless charging case. And also the dimensions and the size and everything of the AirPods themselves is the same. So the change is only in the internals. And don't forget, at the bottom of the case, you have your lightning cable. All right, guys, thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing of the AirPods 2.